Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make your iClone 8 texture to have a certain strength that look like it emits the light, something like this. And I'm going to show you actually how you can adjust it. You can see this is just an example. I adjust the strength of the texture, especially the glowing. And this is just a piece of image texture. I'm going to show you from the beginning how I made this. So I'm going to just start from beginning. First, what you need to do is just find from your props. It is under here, props. Then you should be able to see a image plane here. So you can just drag out one of it. Originally, it already have a texture. Actually, you can replace your own texture. Now I have a piece of picture, a sunset picture that I just drag and drop to just replace the base color. Now you can see the sunset, and you can put this in your 3D animation background if you need, and you can even just put a video on it. It is going to automatic render as a video. But to make it have a realistic shining effect, what you need to do is just copy the base color to the glow, right click copy, and here right click paste. Now it will have a glowing effect. Then you adjust the strength. Then you can adjust the glowing effect at here. At the same time, the self-illumination, you can just make it maximize in this way. Then adjust the strength. For this, if you look like this, it is just a picture, like no lights. You can just adjust the strength to fulfill your needs. Then it will have a glowing effect. So let's say if I duplicate this, I press the control, I duplicate this. Now you can see it have the shining effect. What about if you don't put it for any of the picture? You also can do the same thing, copy and paste to the glow. Then the glowing strength, you can just adjust it. It is really simple. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to set the texture strength of the glowing so that it can give you the illusion of it emits the lights. And here actually you can put it set as a keyframe automatically for your animation. Just for example, play, increase the strength, play, increase the strength again, play, increase the strength to the maximum. Now you try to replay everything, you can see it already inside the keyframe. It is really simple. And that's all for today. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. Always remember to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you